Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 5 of this Making a Minimalist challenge here on Soul Stories by Elvira. Today's day 5, and it's all about the social clutter in our lives. And I wrote the topic Drainers versus Sparklers because that's what the name I made up for the people who either are kind of toxic or the people who make us grow and shine. By using minimalism, we can revitalize our relationships. And to me, it's very important to be aware of who we attract and who we let into our main little core. So today's task is actually based on the core and the quote, you become like the 5 people you hang out with the most. So choose carefully. So today I actually want you to take a piece of paper and pen and list the people you spend the most time with and look at them. Are they sparklers or drainers? So if you have a person there that you feel like you can grow and shine with who makes you so happy and the best version of yourself, tell them, compliment them today, and set up a date as soon as possible. If you can't make it in real life, then do it online. It's so important to make time for these people. And if you don't feel like you have any sparklers, so we have our core, but then we also have a wider circle of friends and then an even wider circle of acquaintances. So have a look in those circles. Are there any people in your friends or acquaintance circle that you might feel the potential of them being sparklers in your life? So by doing task 1 on them, you're slowly inviting them into your core. All right, so task 2 today, if you want to, or if you've already done task 1 recently, uh, actually, you can't do them too much. Well, if you want to move on, task 2 is all about something I can relate to very, very well. So sometimes I have been ending up hanging out with people out of guilt or fear of missing out or my ego. So today's task 2 is to look at your calendar and actually cancel a commitment you have soon coming up that is only there because you couldn't say no and that you really, really don't want to do. And know that these people's event or lives don't depend on you, that you're not that big. And real people in your life, they get a no. So cancel a commitment and enjoy the well-deserved space in your calendar and for choosing who you hang out with. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, I would love for you to comment them. And if you want to share anything that happened to you while decluttering yesterday, I would love to know. So please share that in the comments. Look out for the worksheet that I will post here in the comments as well. Tomorrow, we are going to release some physical and mental blockage in you. So please stay tuned for that and have an amazing, amazing Tuesday. Bye.